So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a CSV file into Google Sheets. All we have to do, open up your Google Sheet and go to File, Import, and wherever you have your CSV file saved on your computer, just hit Upload, and we're going to go and browse and find it. So I have mine here. I'm going to click it, and you have a couple of options. You can have it create a new sheet. You could insert a new sheet within your spreadsheet. You can replace the current spreadsheet that we're in, and that's what I'm going to choose. So I'm going to replace the current sheet. The separator, my CSV file is delimited by a comma, so everywhere where there is a comma, it's going to put that data into its own column or cell. But I wanted to detect that automatically, so I'm gonna leave that as it is and hit import, and my CSV file now is in my Google Sheet. But there's additional information from another CSV file I want to add to this spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do now is go to File, Import, go back to where I have the other file that I want this more data. I'm going to click that, and this time I want it to add that additional data to this current sheet starting here at this cursor. So what I want to do is append to the current spreadsheet. I'm going to select that option and then hit import, and that additional information has been added to my Google Sheet. If you do this and let's say that second CSV file had headers, it would have added an additional header on this row, but that CSV file didn't have that, so we don't have to worry about that. But in the event your CSV file has a header, you may want to delete that header row. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. As always, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button.